Hi, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shan. Hi. Okay, so I'm wearing this gorgeous wig that I got on Amazon. So if you want to see my review of this wig, stay tuned. Hey, so I'm doing a review of this wig I got on Amazon. It's a burgundy wig. I was actually thinking of getting, doing something different for the summer. We're in spring right now. So I went on Amazon and looked for, something different. And I stumbled upon this burgundy wig. Okay, so this is what the box is. All right, it is Remy Fort. I guess that's the brand. I don't know. So it is Ombre Wine Red. That's the name of it. Okay. So in the box, we have this beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous. Isn't she lovely? She is so pretty. So pretty. All right, so it's a bang. And in the box also came with a wig cap. All right, you can wear this wig cap with it. All right, so details about the wig. So this wig is 100% human hair. I am not sure if I think you can put heat on it because it is human hair. It's 100%. It has two clips. There's one at the back. Well, actually, there's three clips, three hooks. So there's one at the back, and there's one on both sides of the wig. There's one on this side, and there's one on that side. But I would be removing those clips because I just don't like to wear it with the clips. So I'm going to be cutting those off. Yeah, it's really soft. As I said, it's 100% human hair. It's really soft. It has minimal shedding. The curls look really good. So I am going to pop this bad boy on so you guys can see what it looks like. So I already have my wig cap on. Okay, I'm just gonna pull it back a little bit. I'm gonna put this cap on. I think it is 16 inches long from nape down. So I'm going to adjust the straps. I'm gonna hook it onto the second hook. All right, I'm gonna put it to the second hook, and I'm gonna pop this bad boy on. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so this is what she is looking like. Oh my God, I love her. I am in love with her. Oh my God, she is so gorgeous. If you guys are interested in this wig, I am gonna put all the info for Amazon in the description box so you can go check it out if you want to. If you don't want to, well, no, well, it's up to you. But I love her, and I am gonna be rocking her for the summer. Okay, it's really soft. I think this is a really good quality wig. You can definitely get a lot of wears out of this wig, and I am so happy with this purchase. Yeah, she's shedding a little bit, but I guess that's normal for, when you buy any new hair, it's going to shed a little bit. All right, so if you guys would like to buy this wig, just check the description box. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to be notified for any future uploads and videos that I'm going to be filming coming up. Please hit the notification button and catch you later. Peace.